Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back with another affordable wig install. Today we have the sensational sheer muse Lachan unit in the color neon lime. I was just showing you guys that I did one other color from this line, which was the mint frost, and I absolutely loved it against my skin tone. So I think I actually want to do all of the colors. The wigs are pretty cheap, about $25 to $35 depending on which website you go with, but they're pretty cheap and I do like the color ranges. My man actually picked out this hair color and he wanted me to try it, and I did lime green a long time ago, but he wasn't my man at the time, so he didn't see it, so we're gonna have to go ahead and run that back. The one thing I will say about these wigs in particular is that they're not big head friendly. And I don't see, for a while I thought it was me because I really don't do like a decent braid down because I have really thick hair. But once my friend who's bald head tried the wig and the wig still was tight and she got it done like at the shop, I knew something. I knew it wasn't me. But lately, I've only really been doing like sensational wigs, and they have a lot of different styles and colors. I feel like people are so against synthetic wigs when really it's so many girls, like when I wear color hair, they be like, oh, I love your color hair. I wish I could try a color like that. And you can, but you're scared. And if you don't want to spend the money on a human hair wig and dye it and not like the color, why don't you get a synthetic wig and see how you like it? So anyways, I had to switch to using this makeup brush to put in the foundation in my part instead of that sponge, because I realized that the sponge will make the foundation seep through to the hair, which will mess up the part and make it look like I have brown roots, which is not cute. It's very, very icky. But yeah, I am definitely working on my wig installs. It be kind of difficult because my toddlers be right there. Like, they be cheering me on, but they make me nervous at the same time. Like, y'all ever be trying to like do y'all makeup or your eyelashes and you get it good? Ooh, at this part, hold on. At this part, I definitely was thinking about cutting into like a little Chinese bang, like with the thin bangs, the sheer bangs. That's what it was giving. But anyway, see, I ever be trying to do like a makeup or something and somebody's like watching you and it don't turn out how it's supposed to turn out. But like if you're by yourself, you get it good. And yeah, that's just what my toddlers do to me. Like, they give me social anxiety. But anyways, overall, I really loved how this hair color turned out. My man is going to be so excited when he get his pictures of me because, yes, he is in prison. So I do be like, on my off days, like on the weekends, I do put on like different wigs. I get dressed up for him, take pictures and stuff, just to make him feel included. And he be cheering me on when it comes to my shenanigans and my color eyebrows, my color hair. He's definitely my #1 fan because I swear every color he picks out. But yeah, y'all, Sensational has some of the best wigs as far as like the best lace. I just wish the lace was bigger and big head friendly. That's the only thing. But as far as the colors and the lace, they do have some decent good quality. I'm losing my train of thought, y'all. So now I'm just doing my finishing touches. So I want y'all to comment down below which color I should try next. I'm just trying to keep talking till this voiceover is over, but honestly, this is so difficult. So I think I'm done talking. Bye.